Hello students, now let's do few problems on numerical ability, substatement problems. Okay, the first question is divide 300 into two parts so that half of one part is less than the other part by 48. Okay, here we have two different parts. When you add two different parts, that will be equal to 300, and the given statement here is one part is less than 48 by the other part. Okay, now we will see how to frame an equation here. X plus y is equal to 300, where x and y are two different parts. Okay, now from the question we can make this as a statement. Okay, now you have one part as x, the other part is going to be half of one part, so that is x minus y by 2, that will be equal to 48. When you subtract x value with the half of the another part, you will get the answer as 48. Okay, so the question is framed in a statement form. Now you're going to take all the y to the other side. So x is equal to 48 plus y by 2. Now you have got a value for x. You're going to substitute that x value in the previous equation, x plus y equal to 300. So 48 plus y by 2 plus y is equal to 300. Okay, now when you bring the 48 to the right hand side, 300 minus 48 will be equal to 252. For this y by 2 and plus y, you are going to take LCM. So that is 3y by 2. So when the 2 goes to the other side, you will get 504, and the numerator part comes to the other side, it is coming as a denominator. So 504 by 3 is equal to 168. We have got one value, that is y, that is equal to 168. Now let us find the value of x. So x is x plus y equal to 300. When we got the y value, 300 minus 68 will be equal to 132. Now we've got two parts. One x part will be 132 and y will be 168. When you add these two, you will be getting it as 300. Okay, so whenever you have a question like this, first form a statement, then solve the problem. Okay, we'll move on to the next problem. Divide 96 into two parts such that half of one part is equal to the other part. This statement is as simple as that. Okay, let's see. Now let us take the one part as x. The other part will be 2x, because when you say that it is a half of one part, it will be twice of the other thing. Okay, so given question will be 2x plus x, that is equal to 96. Okay, so 3x is equal to 96, so x will be equal to 96 by 3. Now your value of x will become 32. You've got the first part. The second part will be twice of the other part, so that is equal to 64. So when you divide 96 into two parts, the one part is half of the other part. So you can see from the answer itself, you will understand 96 into 62 and 32. 64 is nothing but twice of 32. So this is how you will form the statement. Okay, so whenever you see a statement question, form a equation and then solve the statement. Okay, now the next question, one more question. Divide 54 into two parts such that one part is 2 by 7th of the other part. Now this question is simple. You just have to take one number as x, the other will be 2 by 7th of x. Okay, so now the question will be one part is 54, will be x plus 2 by 7th of x is equal to 54. When you take LCM, 7 will go to the other side. 7x plus 2 is equal to 7x plus 2x is 9x by 7. That is equal to 54. 7 goes to the other side, and when we solve the equation, we get the number as 42 and 12. Okay, so this is how you solve the equation. The other question is given. Divide 34 into two parts in such a way that 4 by 7th of one part is equal to 2 by 5th of the other part. You can see the solution and you can try this problem by yourself. Okay, so this is how whenever a statement question is given, you form an equation and you solve the problem. Okay, we'll meet up in the other video with different set of problems. Thank you.